Turning to the coronavirus, Rhode Island leaders are refocusing how the state responds to COVID-19, now strategizing, that is, on how we can coexist with the virus. The first step in that new strategy is vaccinations. 12 News reporter Anita Buffoni was at Governor Dan McKee's briefing today and joins us now from Providence with the details on how the state plans on getting more students vaccinated. Anita?
Well, Shannon, Providence schools have a vaccination rate among students at 39% compared to 79% in Barrington. This is an example of why the state is now asking schools with vaccination rates below 20% to have vaccine clinics for students.
Over the last several weeks,
Rhode Island leaders say they are strategizing how the state can learn to coexist with COVID-19.
this is a preventable, treatable disease. We know a lot more today than we did a year ago.
Governor Dan McKee says the focus is shifting from being a pandemic to an endemic. The first step on that path is getting more Rhode Islanders vaccinated and boosted. From schools to faith leaders, McKee says he is doubling down on vaccination efforts, especially in communities with low vaccination and booster rates.
Like Providence, Pawtucket, Central Falls, and Woonsocket, to ask them to invite a trusted doctor to speak during their service.
In an effort to get more students vaccinated, more clinics will be brought to schools. Interim Health Director Dr. James McDonald says those who have received their primary series and a booster are 55 times less likely to end up in the hospital for COVID-19 compared to the unvaccinated.
When I listen to parents, what they're telling me is they're worried about long-term complications of the vaccine. You know, what I tell parents is, if we've had a problem with the vaccine, we've discovered that in a few months.
On top of asking schools with low vaccination rates among students to hold vaccine clinics, communities like Providence are taking it a step further by hosting a high school Vax Week.
Let's do it. Let's not make health care political.
Now, there are talks for the need for a fourth COVID-19 shot. I asked the health department about this, and they said that will likely happen if more variants emerge that aren't covered by the current vaccines in circulation. Live in Providence, I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.
An update now on COVID in Rhode Island. The Department of Health reports no new deaths today and a positivity rate just over 2%. With next week marking 2 full years since the first case was identified in Rhode Island, Governor Dan McKee says it's time to start learning to live with the virus. 12 News reporter Anita Buffoni was at this morning's briefing and joins us live from Providence with the governor's message. Anita?
Well, Shannon, health leaders say COVID-19 is transitioning from a pandemic to an endemic, and Governor Dan McKee says the first step in learning to coexist with COVID-19 is getting students and adults vaccinated. The approach to dealing with COVID-19 is shifting.
Over the last several weeks, COVID-19 has transitioned to a preventable, treatable disease. And that is good news for us.
Rhode Island leaders say they are developing a strategy that will focus on how to coexist with the virus. That strategy is still in the works, but the health department says the first step is vaccinations.
School nurses, teachers, you play a really important role in helping get our kids to trust the vaccine is safe and effective. It is a safe and effective vaccine.
The COVID briefing was held at Lillian Feinstein Elementary School that has a vaccination rate of just 16%. Interim Health Director Dr. James McDonald reassuring parents who are reluctant to get their children vaccinated.
This is really the most well-studied vaccine in the history of our planet. It's the most heavily monitored vaccine in the history of our planet.
The Department of Education is asking schools with a vaccination rate less than 20% to hold clinics to get students vaccinated.
Think about where we were 2 years ago. Every day was something new, but it is treatable. We have the tools at our disposal.
Now, the health department says there are no plans, at least in the near future, to mandate students get the COVID-19 vaccine, saying they want to give adults and parents more time to make those decisions. Live in Providence, I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.